We are going to reveal something just incredible.
Our vision of future premium mobility.
It is indeed something you have never seen before.
A very new kind of body style for Audi.
Welcome to the celebration of progress.
Designed and developed with a focus on passenger experience from the inside out.
Private space is highly valued.
The Audi Urbansphere concept enables people to step out of noisy, crowded city life into a spacious, quiet interior.
How do you feel about getting into the sphere so you can experience it firsthand?
Yes, please. Wow.
And you know what? I'm just going to make a quick call now.
Go ahead.
Hi, Henrik. Hi, Stephen.
Hello, Hildegard.
Hi, Hildegard. The Audi Urbansphere concept brings you what you need on the inside and helps express who you are on the outside. It is really something that will have impact universally.
What was in our imaginations in the past can be our reality in the future.
Sustainability, electrification, and immersive digital experiences. We are living progress in everything we do today, so that our tomorrow can be exactly the future in which we want to live. One that is full of fascinating and meaningful moments.